welcome back to my channel. Mary here at The Good Life with M. We are headed out of town and leaving the kids at home with my dad. My husband and I are headed to the Tulalip Resort and Casino. I believe it's about 45 minutes north of Seattle, maybe a little bit more. If you do decide to head up there, there are a bunch of restaurants. Of course, there's the casino, and there's also the Grand Resort. It's been there for, I want to say it's over 10-15 years, right, that it's been there. You know, this is kind of like a nice little getaway. We do go there once every so often. I think the last time we were there was probably pre-COVID maybe. So we are on our way back, and I will show you guys around, and yeah, enjoy. So normally I would look a little bit more done up, but I decided I didn't want to wear makeup because I am headed to a spa appointment. Because of course, as you guys know, if you followed me through our previous trips, anytime we take a trip, I always have a spa day. So my husband set one up, and I decided to dress down, as you can see here, and no makeup. So you know, it feels kind of good to be free of all that, of all the layers. Coming in from the south parking lot, if you pan to the left, that is the west lobby, and that houses all the grand ballrooms. And going down this hallway beyond those glass windows is the resort pool. On the left here is all the crafts and artwork done by the local tribe, I believe. And then coming through, you'll see a small waiting area here, and in that little shop, I believe that's like a gift shop. That's one of two gift shops. And then here we are at the check-in. So there is a line right next to those branches there, so you want to make sure you go there. This is where the elevators are, and I am headed to my spa appointment, which is on the second floor, not on the third like I previously thought. And so here we are. Just around the corner here is a T-Spa, so I'll link all the details down below. I couldn't bring in my phone and actually film the place, obviously for privacy reasons, but this is the little locker room where we get ready before our treatment. Headed to my room, even the hallways are flanked with artwork, and they've put some thought into it. It has a nice modern feel with a tribal twist. So I'm just coming back from the spa, and I had a 50-minute deep tissue. I feel like it was way too fast. So I usually go for like 90 minutes, but that's okay. So here we are in our room. Vong is having a drink with his friend and cousin downstairs. They remodeled this a few years ago. Lots of red, black, and cream colored accents. But here's a full length mirror here. They have some tribal art on the walls. And then this is our closet here at the entrance. Let me just take a quick glance here at the entrance. Okay. And then we have a bar here. Okay, and then we have 2 queen size beds. I'm not sure why, maybe his and hers beds, but yeah, we're probably gonna end up sleeping on that far one just because it's kind of creepy being by the door. We don't have the best view, unfortunately. So it's just the view of I think this is like the west parking lot. I'm not really sure, but yes, this is what we have. Nice and modern. And then a work desk in case we need it, which we probably will because Vong is kind of working here while we're vacationing, which is pretty much always. And then here's our bathroom. This is a nice track door here. And then our modern bathroom. We have a full shower and double sinks. Here's the vanity area. So it's not really my color palette, but this works. I like it a little brighter. So here they keep the extra towels, more tribal art, and then, like I said, full-size shower. I like the different play on tile and materials. So toilet room, I guess you don't really need to see that, but let me just go ahead and pan around, and that's kind of what it looks like. So they have a cool clock here. Okay. Yeah, so that's our room tour. So at the spa, I did get a few things. I am a sucker for candles. As you know, I have a bunch of candles here. So I got this sugar coffee scrub by Lilicious. I love this stuff. This is amazing. It lasts me for quite a while because I try to savor it. So that's one purchase. And then I love the Volume Spa candles. Let me see if I can pick it up here. Oh my gosh, but it's really pretty. So it's kind of a nice opalescent container. It's a glass container. This is the coconut papaya. It smells so good, y'all. So I'm just gonna put it there, and then we have more in here. So I have, let's see, oh, the Macara. This stuff smells really good. It is in a smaller container, but this is all they had. This is 3.2 ounce. They didn't have anything bigger than that. And then I do have one more. It's a bigger size. Okay, I'll just wrap this stuff up again. And I have the Kalahari watermelon. That smells really good too, and it's very spring-like. But yeah, this is my T-Spa haul. That's the T-Spa is where I went for my treatment. So if you guys come here, book a session, they do book out pretty fast, so you want to do it right away.